Hi there, Sue here with another Moments with Sue, with one of our other finalists for the Female Excellence in Advice Awards, fabulous advisor Nicole Heales. It was fabulous to hear about what's happening in your business. You're doing great things.
Thank you.
And what I wanted to talk to Nicole about is you had a really excellent idea about how advisors can involve their team a little bit more and support their team. Talk to us about that.
Yeah, I think there's a lot of gold to be dug up in the support staff in the financial planning profession. So there's women in the profession that are client service officers, that are support staff, that are paraplanners, that we need to encourage and bring through to become advisors. So what I'd like to see is that we encourage them to go to the Inspire meetings, that we include them in the AFA memberships, and we just start bringing them up and giving them the confidence to start talking about what they'd like their career to be in the next few years.
Fantastic. And I think even if they don't want to step into that role of advisor, I know a lot of them will do really well at it, and it would be great to have more women coming through as advisors.
Yep.
Even if they didn't, there are so many benefits of doing that anyway.
Yeah, for sure.
If they get connected.
Yeah, you're building your networks, you're having a sense of confidence, you're empowering yourself, you're creating just a movement, which we need. We need some more energy in this space, and we need to bring more women. And even if it's women that want to stay in support roles, that's fine, but let's include them.
Yes.
It's about being included, and that's what I'm really passionate about.
And I love that, because I do think it teaches them to be a little bit more confident, to step up with ideas. They get great ideas from the other people that are in the room. Actually, for those who don't even understand what Inspire is, do you want to share that?
So
is it possible or possible?
Yeah. Well, Inspire is the committee, the community for women in advice, and we are trying to inspire people to come up through the ranks or stay in advice, and it's all about helping women, and so that's it's a great cause, and we love it.
Yeah, and I love the events. There's such fantastic things that come through, and I guess as a woman in advice, you and I have got to a point in our careers that we have had such success, and we love what we do, and we do see women all the time that are maybe a little bit more shy, or they're not sure if they can do these roles, or they feel like their place is in the back office, but that's absolutely
I think so. I just want to give them shine the light on them, because without them we would be nothing, and support staff roles are so important in the advice space, and making sure that people who've got the ambition to become advisors actually get encouraged and promoted through the ranks.
Yeah, I think all of us have had our own mentors in our time, have had people to look up to and encourage us and feel inspired by. So that's a great way to do that with your team.
Yeah,
lovely. What a great idea.
Yeah.
Thanks, Nicole.
Thanks.
Another moment with Sue.
See ya.